Hi everyone, this is Cheryl and welcome to my sewing room. I'm going to demonstrate how to make these really cute coin pouches. They won't take very long to make, about 20 minutes. You can make it without the little loop to hang your key ring or with the loop. You can even make it to where it holds a novelty keychain onto it. This little kangaroo keychain was given to us by one of our viewers in Australia. And Cheryl, I want to thank you again for this. Okay, everyone, let's get started. Here's what you're going to need. 4 6-inch squares, 2 for the lining, 2 for the outside, 1 7-inch zipper. Also, if you want to hang keys on it, you'll need 1 piece of fabric for the loop, 3 inches long by 1.5 inches wide, and then 1 little key ring or even a novelty keychain. 2 6-inch squares of lightweight fusible interfacing. And to cut out the circle that you'll need, you can either draw your own 5-inch circle. I use these little plastic templates by June Tayler. They have multiple sizes of circles in the package. You can purchase these at Joann's, and I'm sure you can even get them on Amazon.com. On your 2 6-inch squares for the lining, fuse the interfacing on the back. Just follow package instructions. Take 1 piece for the lining and 1 for the outside, stack them on top and line them up. Cut them 3 inches wide. So line up your ruler on the edge and then cut. Place your zipper front side up to where the zipper pull is on top. Take your lining piece and have front side up. Place the zipper, center the zipper I should say, right along there, and it's on the edge of the zipper. Take the fabric for the outside, place it front side down, and line up the edges. And then I recommend that you place pins to hold, and then stitch about 1/4 inch from the edge in all the way across. When I'm stitching the zipper on, I'm using this piping foot because you can get closer to where you need to stitch because the zipper might get in the way. You can use your zipper foot also to stitch the zipper on. After stitching, fold them back to where you see the zipper teeth and finger press the edges on both sides. Then stitch right along the edge of the fabric. And again, I like to use my little piping foot because I'm able to just get right in there just right. Now you're going to place the other side on. So put the lining fabric face up, have the zipper on top, and make sure you have the top of the zipper, the front side where the zipper pull is, facing up. Take your fabric for the outside and bring it front side down. And again, I recommend that you place pins to hold and then stitch about 1/4 inch right along this edge here. Unfold them so that they come out like this. Finger press the edges on the front and back, and then stitch right on top there close to the edge. This next step is very important before you continue on. Unzip the zipper about 2/3 of the way. Take your other piece of lining and have it front side up. Take your ruler and put the 3-inch line on the edge of your fabric. And put a mark up here to indicate where the center is, and then down here. If you have a circle template, there's a line going through the center. Line it up on those 2 marks and then trace around the circle. I'm now going to demonstrate how to make the loop. Fold your fabric in half and press it with your iron. You now have a center fold line. Take the edges on each side and bring them into near that center fold line and press, and then do the other side and then press. Take the 2 sides and fold it in half and press one more time. Then stitch along the edge there to close it. Have the front side of the zipper facing up and the fabric for the outside is up. Pin one end of your loop along one side of the zipper teeth, and then if you want to go ahead and put your key ring on there, you can do that. Then put the other end on the other side of the zipper teeth. If you put these right over the zipper teeth, it's going to be very thick, and if you don't have a really sharp needle, you're going to have a lot of trouble stitching through it. Place your fabric for the outside on top and take your other lining piece with the circle on it facing up. So you want that circle facing up. Make sure that those little marks that you put on each side of this piece indicating where the center is, put those right over the zipper teeth. Then begin pinning everything down. When you're pinning, make sure that you have the zipper teeth here where it's open, pinned very close together. So after finished pinning, now stitch right on your drawn line. And as you're stitching, stitch slow, and you're turning your fabric slowly at the same time. When you get to the zipper teeth, I recommend you back stitch just a little bit because it's a stress area and you don't want this to come apart. And then, like I said, you're just going to turn your fabric slow as you're stitching. After stitching, cut out 1/4 of an inch away all the way around. When you come to the zipper teeth, make sure you're using old scissors, not your good scissors that you cut fabric with, because when you go to cut, it's very, very thick. And it's going to really wreck any rotary cutter or your good sewing scissors. So go ahead and do that. And mine are marked zipper, so I know it's okay to use these. And they are a little dull right now. They do need to be sharpened. So on the other part, I just use my rotary cutter and I cut around like this. Make sure you leave 1/4 of an inch. Remember, don't use your rotary cutter or good scissors over the zipper teeth. After stitching around in the circle, do either a zigzag stitch or this overlock stitch I have on my sewing machine. Many of you probably have this. Reach in through the zipper opening and begin turning it front side out. And then just close it up and you're done. To view more zipper pouch and tote bag projects, play this video until a green screen appears and then click on the links. If you like this video, would you please click on thumbs up, and don't forget to click on that share button to share it with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go to that button in the lower right hand corner of your screen. Don't forget to enter your email address and click on the little bell so you receive email notifications to your phone. I'm Cheryl, this is Manny. See you next time, and happy sewing!